All right, the next Inktober we're going to do is Hope. That's Hope. Hope. Ooh. Trying to find a page that I want to... Something needs to speak to me about hope. No, not that one. This one. I'm not sure what to do for hope. It's an interesting word. Oh, I know. Let me find one that's a little more. I have one that's a little more splattery. This one. Yeah. I'm going to do this one. Okay. Looks nothing like what I had just in my head. That's not right. I have no idea what I'm doing and how this has anything to do with hope. You know what? I'm just going to draw. If you guys see anything in this, let me know, because I haven't got a clue as what I'm doing or how this might have anything to do with hope. I really don't. The only thing I can do is hope. I can hope that there's something comes out of this drawing eventually, but beats the heck out of me what it's going to be. No clue. What am I doing? I don't know. I really don't know. That's weird how sometimes your brain just does whatever it's going to do. What is it? don't know what it is. It's some sort of, I guess it's just abstract, but I don't know why that ended up like that. I really don't know what that is. And I don't know if it lives this way or that way. I have the words on it, but does it actually live this way? No. It wants to live that way? I don't know what that is. If you guys see some sort of meaning, or if it means something to you, because maybe this drawing isn't for me. Maybe this drawing is for one of you guys. And I have no idea what the symbolism and the meaning is. So, you know, if you guys think it belongs to you, let me know. Raise your hand and tell me about it, because it doesn't resonate with me, but it had to come out that way. You'll notice I even started with a different piece of paper and it said no, this isn't the piece of paper that hope goes on. So I don't know. It's really strange when I just let my art go like that. I don't know what happens. It just comes over me. So it is what it is. Hopefully you guys like it. I don't even know if I like it. It just is. Okay. I hope it encourages somebody and it gives somebody hope. That would be nice. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.